A little over 19 years ago, I started on a journey that almost wrote the entirety of my life. From a very young age, I began the pursuit of disassociation, way before I ever knew what that meant. Pain, sadness, anger, and fear were my closest confidants. And for the longest time, I did my best to hide behind a smile, but in fact, I didn't know much of anything about happiness. I understand we are here for drug and alcohol counseling, but everyone who stands here with me today knows it goes much deeper than that. Using was merely medicating. No matter what I would say or do, majority of it would be a lie, and only behind my tears would you find the truth. I gave many doctors, therapists, and rehabs a chance to help, and there was one word that was consistently used: powerless. Behind that ideology, I failed time and time again. Gave in, and for years was convinced that my last breath would be taken from behind a pipe. Standing here today, there is a new light being shed. Elevate, I can't find the ways to begin to thank you. First and foremost, Jeffrey, Greg, Danielle, and especially Jeremy. You all have given me the gift of confidence and taught me how to open my eyes and open my heart. I was ready to give up and quit at times, but you all stood behind me and wouldn't let me fail. Kevin, Craig, and Darren, you are some of the unsung heroes around here. You all have been there for me and with me through the good, bad, and ugly times. Angie, Tots, Kat, and Anna, you pushed us all, especially me in physical fitness. I came in looking like a skeleton, and I'm leaving with strength I never thought I'd have back in my life. You wouldn't let me quit in the middle of any workout, and now I'm applying that to every factor in my life. You have proven to me that discipline really does equal freedom. You guys have a program here that has taken a defeated man and shown him we do have the potential to make it, and that saying we are powerless is blasphemy. Having the honor to stand here today proves to me I do have the strength and I do have the knowledge. Thanks to everyone here and to this program, I will stand here with my chest held high and tell you all this: I have what it takes to beat this. I love myself enough to believe, and I am not broken. And after over 19 years, I can finally say, and for the first time ever, I can say, I am 74 days sober. And all of you sitting in the crowd right now struggling, wondering if you should quit, give up, or run, please heed my words. This program saved a man who was truly ready to end his life. Believe, trust, and put your heart into everything Elevate has to offer, because all the effort you put in will have a glorious return. Again, Elevate, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You've changed my life. Thank you very much.
We believe that you should empower the individual and that we need to show them what went wrong and then give them their power back so that they can tackle addiction as an issue and overcome that.
With your program, how successful are you?
And so we track them all the way through the program and then after the program. And last year we ranked #1 in the entire nation based off of success and overall results.
So if people wanted to get more information, where do they go?
ElevateRehab.org.